We'll search for Google Analytics and then we'll go to the first one. If you don't have, you can create an account, but I have already an account, so I'll go to Analytics. In the Analytics, where you will have to create an account. So for me, the account is Stackseekers, and there I have created a property called stackseekers.github.io, and I'll go to that property. And once I have property, I'll go to the admin. Inside the admin, go for data collection and then look for data streams. And inside this data streams, I'll use web. I'll use my URL. I'll give website name as Stackseekers portfolio, and then I'll use these measurements only. I'll create and continue. Then I have a data stream. I'll click on that. Then I get this Google tag script which I need to configure. These are the scripts, out of which I would be needing only this. Then I will click on test installation. We haven't configured that in our portfolio. Now we will be configuring those in our stackseekers.github.io. Let's jump into the VS Code and go to source.vuepress config.ts. So we'll install a plugin that is using Pnpm, add -d for dev dependencies, and then @Vuepress analytics @next application. Yeah, now I have this from here, tracking ID. I'll copy. So we go to config.ts and then import Google Analytics plugin, and then here we go for plugin, and then I'll pass the plugin here. So now let's run this again using pnpm run docs dev. What is the error? Let's look into. Okay, let's go to node modules, Vuepress, plugin, Google Analytics, and inside packaging, where is the main? Main is live node index.js. So I'll go to live node index.js. Oh, so there seems to be some issue with this package. We'll not go ahead with this. We'll remove this and also remove this to directly invoke in the head. What we will do, we'll type here head, and then I'll pass an array here, and that array will contain an array of first element as a script, and then there will be two objects. One is src, and the next one will be async true. That's it for this script. And next I'll copy this and paste it. I'll format a bit. I don't need this, I don't need this. I'll just remove this and then put comma, and then yeah. So what I will do, I'll copy this source from here and then paste it here. Then we have this first script, and the next one will copy this and then paste it here. We'll format a bit. Now I will run pnpm docs dev. It's running on localhost 8081. Let's go to localhost 8081. I'll inspect element. In the head, if we have that script or not. We have this first script, and which is in the async, and we have the second script as well. Let's go back to the analytics, and I'll retest this. I'll edit this. I'll change it to, oh, I cannot put localhost 8081. Let's put back stackseekers.github.io, update stream. Let's go to the VS Code. I'll do git add commit -m analytics. Then I'll push it. Once it is pushed, I'll go to github.com. I'll go to stackseekers.github.io. I'll create a pull request. Then I will merge the pull request. Let's go to action and so on. Wait for it. Once it is success, I will go to stackseekers.github.io and it is complete. I'll go to stackseekers.github.io and then inspect element. So in the header now I should see the analytics tag, and this is s1mk at the end. Yeah, s1mk at the end, and in the analytics s1mk. Let's test this again, and now you can see there is a green tick mark, which means the data started flowing in. We can see there are 6 active users at the moment, and all the data related to that